I was working on our human trafficking initiatives.
Universal free school breakfast for all kids in schools over 80% poverty.
I have been working at the Center for Parenting and Child Wellbeing.
I've been working on Class C ticketing.
I'm working on human trafficking.
I am an intern for the Research and Data Analysis Center.
Education and public policy.
I have been working in the Human Trafficking Institute.
So my main project was comparing Texas legislation to a couple other states to try to strengthen their laws, specifically focusing on Colorado and Arizona.
I have been working on particularly, the chapter on child abuse.
One of my main projects was mapping the sexually oriented businesses in Houston, showing the licensed and non-licensed businesses.
The Law Fellows all worked on a publication that kind of outlines core components for safe houses.
We're trying to get a picture of how charter schools in Houston are in comparison to public schools. And besides that, I'm also working on a private school ranking list, which is the first ever.
I had several main projects. One was the annual report, a little bit of grant writing, and also getting things together for the accolades luncheon this fall.
My main project was two growing up in Houston chapters, one on childhood obesity and one on college readiness, and a charter schools white paper.
Our main project was to research and develop a publication for best practices or core components for establishing safe houses for victims of domestic minor sex trafficking.
Helping to program the radio show, and I was also working on some videos for awareness campaigns.
I enjoyed that everyone is very open-minded.
Lots of fantastic friendships.
It helped me figure out that I'm interested in legislation and public policy. Some of it was really hard. It wasn't all fun and games, but it was really something that I'm going to build upon for a long time.
Learning more about what's going on in Houston, and then just gaining the work experience that I've got.
We can all have an impact on our city.
I've gotten to learn a lot in different issue areas that affect children. It's been fun to be able to learn all of that and apply that to my potential career in social work.
I think everything that I learned, especially related to Class C ticketing, I had no idea that it existed, no idea that it was such a bad problem. So it's just, I learned something completely new.
I guess just a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge on human trafficking that I had no idea about previously. How important it is to have data-driven research about the issues pertaining to children's policy.
The knowledge that I've gained in an area that's just now starting to emerge at the forefront of the public consciousness. So it's nice to be on the cutting edge of something like that.